Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock characters in Archero 2. Unlocking characters in Archero 2 is straightforward once you know where to look. As you progress through the game, playing and clearing stages, you'll eventually unlock the characters section, typically around stage 3 to 5. Once this section is accessible, you can start expanding your roster by acquiring new characters through events, the in-game shop, or other special methods. Remember, some characters may require collecting hero fragments over time, so patience and consistent play are key. The more you play, the more options you have to customize your team and experiment with different strategies. Focus on completing daily tasks and participating in limited time events, as they often reward hero fragments or even full characters. By strategically collecting fragments and saving in game currency, you can unlock character faster and strengthen your overall gameplay experience in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.